generally human consciousness is very, creative and also sometimes troublemaker. But if you train properly, that will be very nice and very useful, like a real jewel.
Samsara is mind turned outwardly, lost in its projections. Nirvana is mind turned inwardly, recognizing its nature. That really is the key.
It is our responsibility to not only study and practice, but actually develop the realizations of the path in our mind, to carry on the lineage of our precious teachers, so one day with unconditional compassion and perfect wisdom, we are able to bless our countries and world for future generations.
Welcome to Bhoja with Sonam and Prashant Tamang ji, Prashant Tamang La in Tibetan we say. And so Prashant Tamang La, so who's your inspiration to start begin with you singing in your career?
There is no one as such, because when I started singing, it was like I was like 6, 7, 8 or something. Wow. So I just used to listen and I used to sing, and I joined my school and I sang there. I did like that only. I mean, there's no as such.
Okay, you didn't have any idol, like you follow the singer and
no, but later when I started, when I started singing, when I knew that this is the song, this guy has sung this song. So from those days, this KK has sung this song. So KK is a good singer, and Kunal Gajawala has sung this song. Is a good singer. So I used to follow them. Every stars. Who sang well, whom I like. It's that. But there's no one as such.
I see. So, आपका जन्म कहाँ पर?
मेरा जन्म दार्जिलिंग धरती पे of course धरती पे, but दार्जिलिंग में हुआ.
दार्जिलिंग, okay.
दार्जिलिंग में हुआ, and yeah.
So you did your school in Darjeeling?
Yeah, I did my school in Darjeeling. I did everything in Darjeeling. Later I came to Kolkata.
Okay. So in Darjeeling, Darjeeling is a beautiful hill station, right? So many, and there are so many Tibetan people there.
Yeah.
So since this show is for Tibetan in all the Himalaya regions, so what do you think of Tibetan people? Because I'm sure there you come along with Tibetan people in Darjeeling. Here you come with me, myself, a little bit, Sonam La and Thupten La, and all. You have so many friends in Tibetan.
Looks wise, I don't find a difference. But yeah, nice, honest, and lovable. The three words I want to say about the Tibetans, and I really love them. And you are Tibetan too, so I love you.
I'm Tibetan. Okay, I'm Tibetan. I forgot that. I was Tibetan. Anyway, since you said such a good things about Tibetan, so this tea is for you.
Okay, thank you.
You can drink it.
Thank you. And it's nothing like Tibetans from Darjeeling and Tibetans from Nepal or Tibetans in America. It's only the places are different. I mean, the people are the same, and you know, same lovely people, same nice people, same nice greetings they give, nice, you know, love they give. So I love that.
Yeah, except a little bit language. Other than, I think we have almost similarity. We both follow
yeah,
Hindi
exactly.
songs.
Yeah. We follow the Hindi songs, and we love Hindi songs, Nepali songs as well.
Nepali song. Yeah,
and only some things are different, but our thoughts,
our values are
interests
same.
are same.
Yeah. You are Buddhist.
Yeah, I'm a
That's
Buddhist.
we are wondering because I remember जब हम let me speak in a little bit Hindi. जब हम इंडियन आइडल देख रहे थे तो सभी आपको चाहते थे. There are some related with you and Tibetan, so we see there is a Tibetan image in you, so that we support Prashant. Of course, Darjeeling, Gangtok, Siliguri, all those people support you tremendously. But Tibetan from everywhere, Canada, Minnesota, New York, London, every people you support.
Yeah, I still remember some moments like there was a rally in Darjeeling, and for me, of course, during those days, Indian Idol days, and there was the rally, and they all, you know, like people from different religion, they were all on the streets, and I saw one video. So they were like all the Tibetans, you know, like holding the candles, and they were like Prashant.
Yeah, everybody
that was so
loves you.
awesome. Yeah, that was so awesome. And also here in US, like New York and other states, they were like sending money. They were like collecting money, and they were sending to wherever, Darjeeling or India or Nepal, and that was all for me.
Yeah.
And
I remember here in Jackson Heights we have this spot, Indian spot, where Indian and Indian subcontinent people lives here and have a small market. I know you've been there. So over there we have this video store, and they play the live of Indian Idol, and then there was too many crowd.
You know what? Maybe like first thing is the looks.
Yeah.
And this was the first time with Chinkies, you know, he's doing something in India, so maybe because of that. And the second thing, they all love me, and that's the main thing.
Yeah. More than the looks, I mean, the looks is there, of course. You're Chinky, we are Chinky, and then we have similarity. You are still Sherpa, Tamang, all those people loves you. But then your own personality, yeah, जो आप हो, जो आपने अपने आप को इंडियन आइडल में नंबर एपिसोड 1 से लास्ट तक जो आपने अपने image रखा है, India में very popular. In India, even among the Indian people, they really loves you because they call you such a nice, simple, humble guy. I know.
Yeah, the fact is, I didn't you know, do anything extra because I didn't knew about that.
Yeah.
I just went there, and I just did my own things, which I do at home.
Right.
You know, like
In the whole episode, we saw who you are. You're not pretending anybody. You don't. You are not saying more than you are. So that's really makes you more encouraged to all the other people to support you. I think.
You know what? They're my friends. Some of my friends in Idol. They used to, you know, like they want to come in front of camera, and they want to do stuff like that. They want to get busy in themselves, so that they come to the camera, and they can be shown in TV. So they used to do all those things. But I used to think that, no, this is not the way. I mean, you know, why?
Why you have to push?
Why you have to? Why you have to pretend? You know? Frankly speaking, I didn't knew anything. Where's the camera, and what's he doing or she doing? You know, like the cameraman or producer. What's he doing? What's she doing? I didn't knew about that. I had no idea. I had no clue. Yeah. But I just did my own things. I just used to hang out with my friends, and that's it. And that people loves me.
Yeah. Congratulations for that.
Thank you.
We all love you. I'm sure. And then we heard that आपको सबसे ज़्यादा वोट मिला है अभी तक Indian Idol 1, 2, 3, 4. I still ranking 5 or 6. I think nobody beat you.
It's not only me. It's the whole. I mean, the season 3. It was very popular.
The most popular,
yeah,
I guess. Yeah.
in India and in abroad. So we were lucky for that. I mean, so in the finals I did received lots of votes, and I guess we received the most ever votes among the reality shows. You know, like among all reality shows, we were the season 3, Idol season 3 was the first show.
First show which got the most voted among all the reality shows.
All the reality shows. So it was great, and
it's you who got the vote.
No, it's not me. It's the people. It's the people who voted for me, and it was them.
Wow.
It was them, and of course they voted for me, but the contribution was from all the people.
Yeah. So you start singing, your success. Now you are doing movies, and we heard that आप अभी नेपाल में busy थे last 4-5 months.
हाँ,
So can you please tell me something about that movie?
मैं एक्चुअली ये मैंने अभी तक 3 movies मैंने किए, and yeah.
So you did 3 movies already?
Yeah, 3 movies.
Oh, I thought you did only 1 movie.
No, 3 movies. एक नेपाल में पूरा मूवी नेपाल में शूट हुआ, and बाकी 2 मूवी सिक्किम में.
Okay.
It's a Sikkim production, and I was busy with all those projects.
Wow. So can you tell me about the Nepal movie? What was the name? Angala?
No. The first one was Gorkha Paltan, which I did in Nepal.
Okay.
So I didn't know. I mean, I didn't wanted to act. I had an interest, but I didn't knew that I would get such an opportunity. And one day the producer called me, and I was in Darjeeling that time. So he called me and he told me that he just wants me in their movie. So I was like, I don't know. I think I don't think I can do that.
Okay.
You know, like. तो मैं फिर गया. They called me and I went to Kathmandu, and we had a meeting. So वहाँ उसने बोला कि ऐसा है, एक प्रोजेक्ट हम लोग ने तैयार किया है, and we want you in our project. So मैंने उन लोगों से पूछा कि मुझे क्यों, why me? Because I don't think मैं एक्टिंग तो बात की बात है, बस पहले तो दिखना चाहिए ना एक्टर या हीरो की तरह दिखना चाहिए, and मुझे नहीं लगता था कि मैं हीरो की तरह दिखता हूँ. तो नहीं आपको ऐसा, लोग ने बोला कि आपको ऐसा नहीं सोचना है, क्योंकि द कैरेक्टर इज छोटा सा कैरेक्टर है, छोटा मतलब एक लड़का का कैरेक्टर है, एंड व्हिच सूट्स यू, इसलिए हम लोग ने आपको चुना. तो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है. तो फिर मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी, उसके बाद आई वेंट थ्रू द स्क्रिप्ट्स एंड आई लाइक्ड इट, क्योंकि मेरा स्क्रिप्ट में द स्टोरी and my story, there's similar, yeah.
Oh wow.
So I liked it and I did, yes. I said okay, then we started.
Then you get another project.
Yeah, then after I got another project from Sikkim.
And then all these have this Bollywood ka trend, dishum dishum and Ghana.
Yeah.
Did you do all these things?
Yeah, dishum is like उतना ज़्यादा मैंने नहीं की. या खुकरी वो खुकरी उतना मुझे भी उतना अच्छा नहीं लगता कि मैं फाइट करूँ. हाँ, ये करूँ. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं फाइट नहीं कर सकता. आई कैन फाइट बट तो टीवी पे है ना, फिल्म में वो फ्लाई करते हुए ऐसा अच्छा नहीं लगता मुझे. फिर भी मैंने ट्राई किया और थोड़ा बहुत किया, और मैंने जितना अभी 3 मूवी मैंने किया उसमें उतना ज़्यादा
एक्शन नहीं है.
या तो छोटा सा है विच आई कैन डू.
छोटा मतलब बाल खींचना, धक्का देना.
नो छोटा थोड़ा बहुत पंचिंग है. इज दैट.
Okay, so any of your film has been released or not?
No, Gorkha Paltan will be releasing on 5th of this thing, November.
Okay, and so we will wait forward to watch your movies.
Yeah, even I'm waiting. I mean, I'm looking forward. but I don't think अभी उसके बाद मैं और ज़्यादा कर पाऊँगा, but I'm still trying, but फिर भी मैं सोचता हूँ कि ये 2-3 मूवी मैंने की है, बस यार अभी मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगा, ऐसा मुझे लगता है, but देखते हैं.
But it's fun, right?
Yeah, it's fun.
It's always fun.
Yeah, it's fun. But the thing is, if you work hard, if you work like sincerely, you can do. I mean, everything.
Yeah.
That's my point of view. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Yeah. अगर आप मन लगा के काम करोगे, अगर आप जी जान दे के आप काम करोगे, सिंसियरली आप काम करोगे, तो कोई भी काम आपको उतना मुश्किल नहीं लगेगा. You feel easy and that's that. तो अभी देखते हैं आगे.
So अभी पिछले कुछ सालों से आप बॉम्बे में हैं, right? So बॉम्बे में अभी आपका कुछ आने वाला कोई एल्बम या कोई गाना या कोई प्रोजेक्ट है अभी आने वाला?
नहीं अभी जैसे मैं was busy with my thing this projects, so
okay.
अभी उतना बॉम्बे जाना नहीं हुआ, but still I'm trying.
अच्छा, अभी आप दार्जिलिंग में और नेपाल और यहाँ पर टूर कर रहे हो, मतलब अभी आप बॉम्बे में नहीं रहते हो?
अभी फिलहाल तो अभी नहीं हूँ बॉम्बे में.
ओके,
फिलहाल तो नहीं हूँ, but I still go there. Still, like
to meet your old friends.
To meet my friends and it's all that.
So do you have any girlfriend? I mean, the question is wrong. आपके पास कितने गर्लफ्रेंड्स है? सवाल ये होना चाहिए था.
मेरे पास
फिलहाल 2 है लाल.
नहीं अभी एक था यहाँ पे, वो तो चला गया. तो अभी खाली है, बाद में फिर बाहर जाऊँगा भर जाएगा फिर.
So you're single right now?
अभी तो सिंगल हूँ, बाहर जाऊँगा फिर डबल.
Oh, so you don't want to tell anybody right now?
Yeah, it's not that, but yeah, I don't want to.
Okay. खतरनाक खिलाड़ी है आप. That means छुपा रुस्तम. Whoa. Okay, so when you come here last time, when we have this ritual, we have hang around. Do you remember you have sung one song again and again? Now it's everywhere in our mouth. So that's what the
yeah,
song?
I do remember that. Kailash Kher.
Yeah, Kailash Kher.
Saiya.
Yeah, everybody sing. Minjit, everybody. Here, everybody.
We had fun that time.
Yeah, that time.
And that was the most, I mean, for me, memorable.
Yeah, we had a great time over there that last time.
So
you have a jump from the aeroplane.
Yeah.
Yeah, remember? We went to
I
don't know the place exactly.
Yeah. That was in Long Island. Or whatever. So yeah, we had fun, and I do remember that song. We used to sing. I used to sing. Yeah. You guys used to listen.
Yeah, we used to listen.
Yeah. I used to sing like a fool. Okay, sing and
you sing another song, then you were tired with 10 songs, and somebody, please can you sing this song again? Yeah. Then you sing Hire Moti. Now everybody knows these 2 lines at least. Hire Moti, main na chahu, main to, all those songs. So आपने अभी कहाँ टूर किया, मतलब कौन स्टेज में?
टूर मैंने अभी तो काफ़ी सारे जगह में किया है, एंड अभी और बाकी है. और
अभी तक कौन से देश में, लाइक यूरोप?
यूरोप किया मैंने, उसके बाद फिर जापान
टू. वाह.
कोरिया किया.
कोरिया में गया?
वाह. एंड इजराइल गया.
इजराइल में कौन है आपका गाना सुनने वाला? आई मीन नेपाली और हिंदी सुनने वाला?
नेपाली. वहाँ पे मैंने जब परफॉर्म किया था वहाँ पे, they were like 100 people were there.
Oh.
So it was fun, and it was the most, you know, class concert in Israel for them. For the first time, it was.
So viewers are like Nepali, Indian, Tibetan, or what?
Not Indians. Yeah, Tibetan.
There are a few Tibetans too.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And Nepali, of course.
Wow.
So it was that, and I was there. Sabin Rai, he was there. So we all had fun.
So how do you feel right now? Do you miss your social life? क्योंकि आप इंडियन आइडल बन गया, आप मूवी एक्टर है in Nepal, especially now you're a star, and then all the young kids you likes you, and then when you have this so many people you loves you, and when you go out there you lose your social life, like you can't drink a tea, you go drink and the people say Prashant Tamang, and then you have to hey, then you're stuck there for a while, then you want to do something and then people cover you with good energy. So
you know, this fine. I mean, this stardom, this like people, they recognize me wherever I go,
Yeah.
and it's not that all of them do.
Yeah.
But some of them they recognize and they come, and they want to take pictures with me.
pictures, of course.
And but I don't want my social life. I don't want them to go away from my life.
Yeah.
Because this is my other thing. I mean, my other life. All this is my other life. But I want to be with my friends. I want to be with my family, and for that I can do anything. I can manage my time. I can like hide.
Yeah. क्या हम आपकी शादी में आ सकते हैं?
Of course. मैं आपको personally मैं invite करूँगा आपको.
I'm sure it will be a big wedding. So where you planning? In Nepal or Darjeeling? Darjeeling. Oh yeah, of course. Your family.
Darjeeling. So that's not my thing. That's my mom's dream. कि मैं शादी में दार्जिलिंग में करूँ. Because मेरी दीदी की शादी वहीं पे हुई और दोनों दीदी की शादी वहीं पे. So she wants me to,
Oh.
do that.
आपकी दीदी के बोलने के बाद मुझे याद आया. I didn't ask you the family questions. So how many family members you have it?
My mom or my two sisters.
Elder sisters?
Yeah.
Then you.
And
Oh, you're lucky so. So everybody's looking after you.
Yeah.
I mean,
I'm the only
youngest
guy.
one, only guy, only boy. Anko ka tara. Oh, dear. Okay, and so all the places you've been there in the concert, आप जहाँ भी गए हो, so which place you like most? Like Japan, Israel, and New York especially, you comes often.
It's about the concert. I mean, wherever I do, it's the same. Because I sing and people, love, and I try to entertain them, and it's all that like they want to dance or they want to, they just enjoy themselves. So it's everywhere. But yeah, whenever I come to New York, I feel like nice. I meet people, you guys I meet, and it feels good. So I like New York. But
Me
for
too.
the concert, it's all the same. I mean,
So among all the friends, do you have any incidents that girls gone crazy on you, or trying to kiss on your cheek, or is there any things happen? I mean, most of celebrity they have. I mean, especially you are like right now young, handsome, and movie star in Nepal.
I don't think so, because I don't remember such things. But yeah, sometimes they try to hold you. I mean, they don't want to let you go.
Oh, yeah.
So sometimes they scratch.
Oh yeah,
my
their
hands
nails, the
and,
beautiful nails makes beautiful.
yeah, exactly. So it's all that.
So what is your future plan now?
I don't know. I just want to do more projects, like movie projects.
Oh, you want to do movie projects?
I don't want to do
It's
already
coming
lined
up. It's
yeah,
automatically
so,
coming one after
yeah.
one.
So it's that, and again, I'm doing my new album, so I'm preparing for that.
Yeah, maybe you will do sometime we'll do Tibetan project together, movie?
Yeah, sure. If somebody offers me, somebody gives me that opportunity, I'm always there. I'll definitely do that.
But you have to learn Tibetan, or either I will do some Nepali project if luckily
I'll teach you. If you don't know
Nepali, thank you. Then I have to dance, right?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
Oh, I like your dance in your album, by the way. That the song. Exactly. Raturani. It says Raturani, right? Raturani. And you have this step. Oh, that was beautiful. Where you shot that one?
Kathmandu.
Kathmandu, yeah. Wow, that was very beautiful. The fancy, and I like all this chemistry, this editing. Wow.
That was done by Mr. Bhushan Dahal, a very good director in Nepal, Kathmandu. So I like his work, and that step was it was okay.
It was good actually. And so आप यहाँ पर आते रहेंगे न्यूयॉर्क में. So we will meet again, and I hope you get some time for us on this show. Come again and tell us more about your story or your movies. And but we can't leave you without singing, since you are singer first, and then we all request to you to sing your one of the favorite song. That's why I have a guitar.
All right.
So please, can you play for me and all our audience?
Okay.
आपके मधुर आवाज से.
You guys, you told me that वो गाना मैं जो गाता था सबके मुंह पे है, and I like that song. हीरे मोती कैलाश के.
भले जेब कंगाल हो लेकिन मुंह से हीरे मोती हो. That's the spirit. Okay.
हीरे मोती मैं ना चाहूं. You have to sing with me.
Okay.
मैं तो चाहूं संगम तेरा, मैं तो तेरी सैया, तू है मेरा सैया. छूले प्यार से आराम से मर जाऊं. आजा चंदा बाहों में तुझ में गुम हो जाऊं, मैं तेरे नाम में हो जाऊं सैया, सैया.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. शादी में हम है मतलब हमारा हिंदी, मेरा हिंदी देखो. Okay. शादी में हम है. इसका okay. शादी में हम. Oh, now my Hindi is going down. आपकी शादी में हम आ सकते हैं. ये नहीं.